Hello guys, welcome back to today's Drink to Grow Bigger Bubble Butt video. So today I'll be sharing with you a different recipe other than what I have done in my previous video on this topic. So if you've not seen any of my video on this topic, Drink to Grow a Bigger Butt, definitely check the link I'll leave in the description box so you can watch them for alternative recipes that I will be using in this particular video. So today we're doing a mango flavor. So I love this drink. It's delicious, it's tasty, and it's very much packed with enough protein to help you build butt and make it all bigger. So are you ready for it? Let's get started with this video. But before we proceed, I wanted to say please like and share, subscribe if you're new here on this channel, and turn on the bell so you get updated when I post new video. Let's move on to the protein shake video itself. Hey guys, welcome to today's bigger butt and drink video. Before we proceed, there is no miracle drink out there anywhere that will automatically make you grow butt, but when you add the right nutrition together on a daily basis with your exercises, definitely you are going to grow on the butt area. So this is my drink on a good day, and even some days I didn't work out but I just want to have enough protein. I make this and just have them. I have other recipe for it, so I will also link my other protein shake video in the comment section, so go check it out if you want something else, you want something different, alternative, because this is not all I do. Sometimes I use banana, I change this flavor because the mango, I have mango here. This is a flavor for this protein shake, and also it's low calorie, low cholesterol, helps lower your cholesterol level, and actually has so many vitamins and minerals that helps promote good skin and muscle growth. So that's why you need this mango. And then you also need your Quaker oats. This one is going to serve as the carbohydrates in this whole shake. Every other thing you're seeing here is protein. Oatmeal has a protein percentage, and that makes it the most healthy food to eat if you're trying to get enough protein and, you know, build lean muscle, burn fat, and maintain a very flat stomach with a more healthy muscle. Then oatmeal is #1 food or nutrient or meal you should be having every morning. So I have my granola here as well. This is totally optional because we are complementing this with my soy products. This should be your #1 bet if you're a vegetarian and you're seeking for protein to help with your muscle growth as you're doing all the butt workouts you've seen on this channel. It is the major plant-based protein that has all the amino acid components and that makes up protein, and most especially it is very high added up together. So we're going to also be using this. And then you need this one. This is about 100 ounces of this is about 9.5 gram of protein, and we're going to all use this to make the protein shake. So to proceed, let's just get started. So I'll be chopping the mango into small pieces to the blender, and then I'll add my granules and then my protein powder. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of the protein powder here. Then I'll also add my oatmeal, which is about 1/2 cup of oatmeal. So this is the quantity I'm taking here. And then I'm going to add my fresh milk to it. I'm going to add enough quantity to make sure that it turns this whole thing to a smoothie. So I'm going to cover this up, shake it thoroughly, and go blend it. I'm going to blend it as long as it will take to actually smoothen out those mango chunks and the granite seeds. This is finally how it came out, smooth and very thick. This is what you need to grow this butt. And here I have my protein shake. So I have been taking a little bite of it, and I put it in the fridge to stay for like 30 minutes, and right now it has caked. It's almost like an ice cream but it's actually nice. It's like ice cream, so you can actually use your spoon to eat it. I think it's best to take this before, as in without putting it in the fridge, or if you want to put it in the fridge, just try to make it a little bit less thicker. So I usually don't put mine in the fridge, but because of this video I had to put it in the fridge, which I brought out after 30 minutes of really doing this makeup. You understand? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, share the video, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell as well if you're new here on the channel, so you get updated when I post new videos like this. Yes, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.